This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. This spacious spotless Morningtide can be your new home. Beautiful 2-bedroom plus flex room. No rear neighbors. Crown molding. Extended lanai. Upgraded appliances, less than a year old. Great open floor plan. Great fenced-in backyard. This home looks brand new and is so much better than waiting for new construction. Medley at South Shore Bay offers a wonderful 55-plus lifestyle. The clubhouse offers a gorgeous ballroom, card room, gym, billiards, organized day trips, fun parties and dances with live music, karaoke or a DJ, full bar service and indoor and outdoor dining. The resort-style pool is a tropical oasis. In addition to all Medley has to offer, you have full use of the lagoon, which features many amenities such as community parties, holiday celebrations, full bar service, trivia, poker and cigar nights, movie nights, sporting event broadcasts, a splash pad for the kiddies, a water obstacle course, kayaking, all set on a stunning 5.5-acre man-made tropical lagoon. One-time $2,100 capital contribution required at closing. All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to buyer verification. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.